How do you create a button to clear filters in a dashboard in Tableau? In this example, I have a region filter. I can change to central, and I can remove some states. I have a clear button on the right. If I click that, it will clear all of my filters back to normal. Let's take a look at how to do this in Tableau. Let's start by adding a new sheet. We're going to call this clear. You need to drag a dimension for each of your filters. So I have a region filter, drag that onto rows, and I have a state filter, and drag that onto rows as well. I'm going to add some text by double clicking into the marks card and typing clear in parentheses. Let's move that up to rows. So I have a clear button. So right click clear and unshow it. Click the drop down on region, unshow the header, and do the same with state. You can make these ABCs a bit smaller and white by clicking color, changing it to white, and changing your size down to as small as it gets. Let's drag this over so we can't see the ABCs. Now I have a clear button. Let's go back to my dashboard and add that clear button to the view. I'm going to bring it in as floating by holding shift. Let's get rid of the title and fit entire view. Let's make this smaller. Right click the clear, format, and I want the alignment to be center and center. So I have a clear button. To make it work, I need to click this use as filter button and go into each of my filters and make sure it does not apply to the clear sheet. So let's click the drop down, apply to worksheets, selected worksheets. I want everything on the dashboard except for my clear button. Click OK. Do the same thing on state. I want it to apply on everything on the dashboard except the clear button. Click OK. Let's filter this down to central, remove some states, and click my clear button. That clears out all of my filters. Hope this helps.